Hi, my name's Jack and I'm the founder of Azide Performance. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the SprintVision tool and basically an overview of what it does, what it provides, and how it can help you or your athletes achieve better performance. So what we have on screen right now is basically the dashboard for the SprintVision tool. When you log in, you'll be automatically directed to your account page. Here you can basically see a little introductory video, and this is your account information. You can upgrade your subscription, cancel your subscription, so on and so forth. And this can be accessed through here, the account tab on desktop view. So here is basically how we navigate through the different tabs. But before I jump into those, I'll give you a brief overview of what SprintVision is. So SprintVision is basically a tool that allows athletes or coaches to upload video footage of an athlete sprinting and have it analyzed to be able to extract out data and metrics that will allow sprinters and athletes to implement better technique, assess their performance, assess what areas they need to improve, and therefore increase their sprint and in general athletic performance. And so the most crucial part of this software is basically the uploading of the footage, and then after the footage is analyzed, looking at the results through the reports. Now, I've made an additional video going through a report which can be accessed through the reports tab to look at exactly what type of data and metrics and feedback is provided in each report. And if you want to learn more about reports, you can go and check out that video to see exactly what's included in a report. Just as a brief preview, you click on the reports tab after your video footage has been analyzed, and then you can see I've got all my reports here. There's different types of reports, which I talk about in that video. You can click on a report and it's got a lot of different metrics, data. There's a lot of different tabs here that you can click on to analyze the athlete's performance. But in this video, we're going to explore kind of all the different options that's available. So if you're just getting started, you've just created an account, what I would recommend you do is to click on this help icon. So this help icon is basically going to take us to this page. And on this page is going to be the video upload requirements. So overall, the tool's quite simple. All you need to do is take a video, upload it, and it will be analyzed. However, in taking that video, there are certain requirements that must be met to ensure that the video can be analyzed properly. Now, to understand the requirements, we have to understand that there's actually two different types of reports that you can generate. One is called a full report and one is called a light report. So the full report is basically gives you much more detailed insights and data into the sprint performance. However, it takes a longer time to set up, to capture the footage, and it also takes credits to be able to analyze that. And you only get a certain number of credits per month. The light reports, on the other hand, they require less setup. They're analyzed automatically within 2 or 3 minutes of upload, so you get your results more or less instantly, and you can upload an unlimited number of them per month. And so depending on which type of report you're looking to upload, you can click here to decide what tutorial you want to follow. You can also click here, and this will tell you the differences in the reports, like what metrics are included in the full reports and what metrics are included in the light reports. You can also access all of these different tabs up here. So let's say we want to learn about how to upload a light report. We click here and we look through the different steps. We've got some sample videos here of what a top speed video might look like. We've got a sample video of what an acceleration video would look like. And once you understand how to take an appropriate video, you can then proceed to the analysis submission tab, which is this one up here. And basically this is just where you're going to submit your video footage. So after you've ensured that you have read the video submission manual, which is what we were just looking at, so that we understand the certain conditions under which the video must be filmed to be able to be processed by the system, you click this and you proceed here. Then you basically just enter in the athlete's details that's featured in the video. If it's an athlete you've already entered before, you can click up here and just click that athlete to quickly input their details. And here you just select the file and upload it. And after you upload it, it will be processed. And once it's processed, it will be available in the reports tab. It's pretty straightforward from there. The next tab here is basically a progress tab. So when you generate a sprint report, there will be certain scores that will be calculated: overall score, elasticity score, technique score, that are representative of different parts of the report, of the performance. And you can track how these changes, or how these scores change over time. So here's me. You can sort by athlete. I've only got two athletes here, and one of them is test one. So just myself. You can sort them by either the light reports or the full reports. You can look at either your acceleration videos or your top speed videos, and you can basically see how your performance is changing over time. If we just want to look at the weighted overall score, we can see that. We can see how our elasticity score, which is related to our ground contact times, are changing. There it is. So we can see how that's changing over time. Our technique, how is our technique changing over time? This is what the progress tab allows us to look at. Next up, we've got the force velocity profiling. So basically what this allows us to do is to take a full report. It can't be a light report. It has to be a full report, specifically an acceleration report. I've only got two of them here, two acceleration full reports. We select one of those, and then we also set the maximal velocity of this athlete. So this is something that we either know from prior testing, or we can determine this from a velocity full report, for example. It's just telling us here, by the way, this is the maximal speed recorded for this athlete, in case we don't know. But if we do know, we can just put a number there, let's say 9.6, and then we can generate a force velocity profile with all of the relevant metrics and the standard graphs that are generated here. We can see P max is around here, about 19 watts per kilogram. And so this is what this tab is for. And you can also download the velocity force profile data here. So basically this is and one last thing I should mention is there's a notification tab here. So whenever you upload a report, when the report is calculated, you'll get a little notification here telling you that your report has been successfully calculated, for example, and that you can go and view them in the reports tab here. So that's basically just an overview of the SprintVision dashboard. Again, this is your account. You can access things here. Very simply, you just record a video of an athlete sprinting, you upload it, and then you're able to see your analysis here, and you can track kind of your velocity, force profiling, and your progress over time in these tabs to follow the steps that are required to accurately take a video such that it can be processed by the system. You simply follow some tutorials here. And once you understand how to take the video properly, you then submit the video through here. And once it's analyzed, you get a notification and you're able to see the report through here. So if you're interested in knowing what exact data is contained in the report and how to kind of analyze that data to extract insights about how the athlete is able to make progress and improve their performance going forward, you can check out the next video in the series. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me at contact@azideperformance.com. And yeah, thanks for watching.